Hey everyone! Today the recipe is going to be a little different because I recently figured out how to make one of the most iconic dishes of Montreal. Basically, it's a plate of noodles covered in peanut butter sauce and it's just $2. You hand over a toonie and that's it. What makes it so special is that it's a hole-in-a-wall restaurant tucked right in between all the clubs of St. Laurent, and it's open until 4 a.m. So you will see crowds of people drunk and ready to just get some food for $2. One really sad thing is that it's closed and no one knows where it's going to be. There was even a documentary made about this restaurant. I'll put the link down below. So if you want to learn how to make these noodles, watch this video. We're gonna first start by blanching the noodles. You have to use this fresh egg noodle or else you won't get that same kind of the chow mein texture. So we're going to just very lightly blanch the noodles. The whole purpose of this is just to get rid of the excess starch and to hydrate your noodles just lightly. So you really don't need to keep this in the water for long. And honestly, I think it's good at this point because we're going to cook it a little more later. You can just turn it off and drain off the water. Next, we're going to heat up a pan with a little bit of oil. Okay. So into your hot pan, we're going to add the noodles that we just cooked, and this will just let it crisp up a little and not be, a soggy batch of noodles. So get that oil nice and covered. Okay, to this fried noodles, we're going to add like a dash of soy sauce. Just like that. Should be good. And the soy sauce just gives it a little extra saltiness and it gives it a nice brown color on the bottom. Kind of deepen its flavor a little. So in the original recipe, it's just straight up noodles and nothing else. But I really like bean sprouts in my noodles. So I'm going to put it, if you want to make it, super authentic or whatever, you can skip the bean sprouts. So when you're done cooking your noodles, we're going to set that aside and work on the sauce. It's been said that it's just melted peanut butter. That's what people think, but I don't think so. It's much more watery and there's more of a tanginess to it. So first we're going to heat up just a little bit of water in a pot. And to that, we're going to add soy sauce, about a tablespoon. And we're going to add a little bit of rice vinegar. Another teaspoon or so. And of course, we're going to need peanut butter. I'm using this creamy peanut butter and it's a dark roast, so you get more of that peanutty flavor. And I'm just gonna put in a big scoop, like 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. It's too sticky, you can add a little more water. So this is your sauce. It's a little thicker than the restaurants, but I think it looks amazing. And we're ready to serve. Okay, now the moment of truth. We're ready to plate up. Got our beautiful noodles here. My sauce kind of broke a little, but whatever. Top that off with your peanut sauce. Okay, that sauce is way too thick. In the original take that I took, the peanut sauce just looked really wrong because I didn't dissolve it in enough water and it broke on me. So here is my corrected take with the right consistency. There. And we're just going to top it off with a little bit of Sriracha. All right, let's give that a try. Okay, here goes. I ate it the exact same way I would eat it on a night out. Honestly, tastes the same to me. So I call that a win. Okay, that was really good. Thank you for watching. Thank you for 100 subscribers. I know that's like nothing on YouTube terms, but to me, that's like 100 people in a room watching me cook. That means a lot to me. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.